probably think writing was invented for poetry, maybe to tell stories of gods and heroes, or to pass down wisdom through the ages. But what if I told you the first thing we ever wrote down was a tax receipt? Our story begins over 5,000 years ago in the fertile lands of Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization. People here had discovered how to grow more food than they could eat, and that changed everything. Cities formed, temples rose, power consolidated. But running a city meant keeping track of everything: who owed what, who owned what, who paid what. And when memory wasn't enough, they turned to clay. At first, they used tokens, little clay shapes to represent sheep, grain, or jars of oil. Then someone had a clever idea. Press the token into wet clay and record it, a symbol, a mark, a message. Eventually, they realized they didn't need the token at all, just the mark. And just like that, writing was born. These weren't epic tales or love letters. They were transaction logs. Lines like 23 goats delivered to the temple of Inanna, 60 bushels owed by farmer Naram Sin. Ancient accountants used a stylus to press wedge-shaped marks into wet clay, a script we now call cuneiform. The world's oldest known written documents, tax records. It's tempting to see tax forms as dull, bureaucratic, even painful, but taxes, and the need to account for them, gave rise to writing itself. Every receipt, every ledger, every audit trail was a step toward the systems that run our modern world. The idea spread. In Egypt, scribes tallied harvests for the pharaohs. In Rome, taxes built roads and paid legions. In every empire, accounting became the language of power. And taxation, it wasn't just about money, it was about control, citizenship, and civilization. When you look at an ancient clay tablet, you're not just seeing marks in mud. You're seeing the first flickers of human bureaucracy, the beginning of written law, the roots of modern finance, the foundation of civilization itself. At the International Museum of Accounting and Taxation, we believe every ledger tells a story. If you enjoyed this journey through time, subscribe to iMAT for more hidden histories. Drop a comment below. What surprised you most about the origins of writing? And remember, history isn't just written by the victors, it's logged by the accountants.